We got a video in under an hour. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am so excited for today because I am doing my Beautylish unboxing of my Lucky Bag. I got one of these last year, and if you want to see me act like I'm not disappointed, go watch that video. So why did I buy another one? Because I am a glutton for punishment and because I love makeup and surprises. This was $75 plus $10 tax and is said to contain $150 worth of beauty items, an assortment of brands from Beautylish's website. There's also an XL version. That one is $150 and is said to contain $350 worth of product. I really tried for that one. It was in my cart, and when I went to check out, it was gone. I guess it's better off this way. I'm gonna open this up, give this video a thumbs up if you're curious to see what I got, and consider sticking around and subscribing if you're new. Any duplicates that I may get in here are going to go into my pile for my next giveaway, which I will be doing at 1,000 subscribers. I will shut up and we will see what is in this box. So two things while I'm opening this box up. This box weighed 1.8 pounds according to my FedEx shipment information. I know someone's going to ask. I was looking on Reddit. I told myself I was not going to look at unboxings on Reddit or on YouTube, and I totally have. But I saw there have been several variations at 1.8 pounds, but in case you're curious. Also, I'm gonna do this the same way I do my FabFitFun unboxings. I will be separating them into piles. Of course, I will tell you the total value at the end of what I got, but the first pile will be the things that I would have spent my own money on, things I'm excited for, and then the other pile will be things that are like, meh. All right, so everything is wrapped in this tissue. I have a tag here as well. Last year, the paper outside was gorgeous. It was these cute little sumo wrestlers with all different beauty items, which I'm seeing on top of here as well. I said in last year's video that I'm sure I would save it and use it for something, and I just used it for my 2020 vision board. So I'm sure I will save this for something else. And the tag here, which fell to the bottom, it says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. All right, so I'm a little nervous. I've seen some bad variations, and then also for the palettes I've seen in some boxes, I already own them. So like I said, if that happens, I will be putting them away for a giveaway. I'm trying not to look because I want to genuinely be surprised. I'm gonna reach for the smallest item first, which I've seen a lot of people get. This is the microfiber lemon drop sponge from Jouer & Co. My favorite sponges are the ones from Real Techniques. I do want to open this just to see what the texture is like, see how it compares. I haven't tried anything from Jouer & Co. There is a cruelty-free label on here. I am cruelty-free. If I get anything that isn't, it will go away to a friend or family member or Poshmark. It has almost like a velvety texture to it. I like the little pointed applicator on this side, and then you have a flat side as well. The Real Techniques sponge is slanted, so we'll see how I like that. I can try it out in a future video. If you guys want to see it, let me know. I already forgot my own rule. This is gonna go into the good pile. I can always use more sponges. I use them pretty much every day, and this packaging is super cute. I think if I saw this in the store, I would go for it. I also really like the color, so it's a good one. Next item, I'm gonna reach for something small. Jouer Longwear Lip Cream Liquid Lipstick. I already own a couple of these, so let's see what the color is. Guava. I do really like the Jouer formula for the lip creams. They're matte, but they're not like super drying on the lips, and I like the color of them. They almost have like a velvet type of look to them. One of them I actually wore on my wedding day. I liked it that much. Guava looks like this. Is this metallic? It just says lip cream. It doesn't say metallic. Oh, okay. So last year I got a whole set of their metallic lip creams and I put them into a project pan, and I think I even tried to use them on my eyes because I did not like them on my lips. Confirmed on their website, it says coral rose with a metallic finish. I'm kind of bummed about that. I just don't like metallic finishes in my lipsticks. It's a pretty color. It's just not something that's super wearable for me. I'll probably try to use it on my lids to use it up because I'm a dummy and I already swatched it, so I can't sell it on Poshmark. Why did I do that? This is gonna go into the other pile, the bad pile. Sorry, Jouer, I do really like you. Let's hope the next one is a good one. Good Molecules silicone-free priming moisturizer. I saw some other people getting the niacinamide, I think it was a toner. I much prefer something like this for my dry skin. It says formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and a plant-derived silicone alternative to deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. That sounds good. I am about to start my long haul with The Ordinary. I will be testing out their products alone, no other skincare for 4 weeks. So maybe after that I can try this. I will open it just to see what the packaging looks like, but I don't want to smell it or anything just because I can't use it yet. Last year I also got their peptide serum and I'm still using it up. I say I have about half of the serum left, but I have really enjoyed it. So it looks like it's just going to be a standard pump bottle. It says gently massage onto cleansed skin. When using sunscreen, let priming moisturizer fully absorb before applying. Suitable for daily use, AM and PM. I'll be giving this a try. I don't think this is going to go into the good pile though, just because I don't think I would have picked this up on its own. I just have entirely too much skincare. I'm excited to try it eventually, but it's not something that I would have run out and got. I'm feeling a brush. This is from Wayne Goss. It's the 05. Let me look this up real quick. I just wanted to confirm my fears. Wayne Goss's brush line is cruelty-free. This one, I don't know if it's all of them, but the hairs are animal derived and I only use synthetic brushes, so I won't be using this one. It'll go to a family member or a friend. Kind of disappointed because this is something that I can use. The tip looks really nice on here and fine for precision work, but it's gonna go into the other pile. I love Wayne though. I love his videos. I think he gives such great information. He always covers topics and products that I'm super curious about, and his wink at the end, it gets me every single time. All right, I have 2 more items in here, a big and a little, well, like a medium. So I'm gonna grab the medium. This is Film Star Bronze and Glow from Charlotte Tilbury. Isn't this the one that everybody hates? It is. It totally is. I've seen this in a lot of like negative videos. Like people bought it for the packaging or because somebody, a creator or an influencer said to buy it. So there are the 2 shades there. You have a highlight and a sculpt shade. I'm pretty sure I'm talking about the right thing. I think this is the one a lot of people do not like the performance of it. Do I swatch it? I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna want to sell it. I like Charlotte Tilbury. I'm actually wearing the JK Magic lipstick on my lips now. I also really like the Flawless filter, but I've seen a lot of discrepancies about this product, so I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm gonna look at reviews and confirm that those are the reviews I saw. I specifically remember Smoky Glow just talking about this product in like a year-end kind of thing, but I'll double check before I get excited or not excited about this, but for now, it's gonna go into the other pile. Packaging. Packaging is stellar though. It's really pretty. And that leaves me with one item, which is a palette from Dominique Cosmetics, a brand I have been wanting to try. The Berries and Cream palette is the one that's currently on my Sephora wish list. This is Rustic Glam. I am so happy I didn't get Riviera or the Viseart Dark Edit because I already own them. This I am going to open and swatch. There is the outer component. Oh, I'm so excited I got this. So it is a 12 pan palette. It looks like a mixture of mattes and shimmers. Let's swatch some and see what they look like. Dream Catcher, Cactus. That looks so pretty. Why did I go for the blues when blues are the ones that I normally don't like? I'm also gonna swatch Desert Queen and Gypsy. Desert Queen and then Gypsy. Horrible swatches on my part, but I'm excited to play with this palette and I got something I don't already own. So this is gonna go into the good pile. I have a feeling that's not going to be $75, but I will let you know for sure. So this is interesting. Just while I am calculating this one, the Film Star Bronze and Glow, this is limited edition packaging and it looks like on the Beautylish website, it was sold as a set with this and a brush. Of course, I just got the Film Star Duo, but the normal Film Star Bronze and Glow is 68 and has like a rose gold top, so I'm going to use that for my math. But kind of interesting that they split up a set that they had for the Beautylish bag. I guess it wasn't selling very well. All right, guys, so I added up the total value of my box, which was $170. So they certainly gave me that $150 value. But the two items that I would have paid for, which were the sponge and then also the Dominique Cosmetics palette, they are $50. So it did not beat the $75 that I paid. That's something that I do. They did what they said they were going to do and sent me those products that beat that $150 value, but I like to see if I wasted my money or not. So that's just something I do. I do the same thing with my FabFitFun. For these other four items, I'm gonna give this a try. This is the item. I know for sure it's what Smoky Glow was just talking about, and I trust her opinions. I'm excited for the packaging. I'll give it a try, see what happens, but I don't think I'm gonna resell it. I do think I'm gonna try it, but we'll see how it works for me. And then the other three, the brush is gonna go away to somebody else. The lip cream, I'm gonna have to try to use somewhere in my routine. And then the priming moisturizer, I am excited about this. I just don't need it because I have so much skincare back here in these drawers, but I will eventually use it. Let me know if you got a lucky bag. Let me know what you got. Let me know what you think of mine. If you've tried any of the products that I did receive, let me know your thoughts. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you would like to see me and more of my remarks, please go ahead and subscribe. I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you soon.